Last week was so good, guys. Last week was so nice. Although the market was just ranging up and down, up and down, up and down. All right, so I'm here to just show you guys what's gonna happen from the market next week. If you're new on my channel, this is Jason YK. All right, my name is Shinkala Duran, aka Jason YK. All right, so if you're new on my channel, you're welcome here. I give the weekly outlook every Sunday, and then US 30 majorly, and sometimes we do other pairs as well, but US 30 majorly. So I'll be giving you guys the breakdown of what's going to be happening from the market next week. All right, so if you're new here, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want more. All right, guys. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, it's free of charge. Just click on the link. It's going to be in the description. Click on it and join my Telegram channel. All right, without wasting much of your time, let me just take you guys straight to what we have for you today. Are you ready? Let's go. Firstly, before I proceed, I want to believe you guys made money last week. So let me just show you the trade I took last week. Today is Sunday, the 10th of August, 2025. So on Monday, I didn't take any trade, I didn't take any trade on Monday. I didn't take any trade on Monday. This is it. The market was going up. I'm gonna show you guys the charts. Market was going up, a retracement. So I didn't take any trade because our bias for last week was a sell. So on Tuesday, I saw this range around here where market was failing to break above this psychological level. So we took this sell and we booked 300 pips from this market, 1, 2, 3, as you can see. So we booked 300 pips here on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday as well, another 300 pips here. The same thing, the market returned back to the same place, and then it was failing to break above as well. And then what do we do? The same thing. We sold it again, another 300 pips. That was on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, I posted it on my Telegram channel. If you're not on that Telegram channel, I don't know, you're missing a whole lot. You're missing a lot. Although you don't expect me to, because I have some people that subscribe to my VIP, so you don't expect me to tell you buy or sell. That is the deal. That is what I can do for my mentees and people that subscribe for my VIP. So I used to set up and I speak in parable, you know. So that's just what I did here. If you look at it on Thursday, is it on Thursday? So I posted it on Thursday for you guys to consume. I said, watch out for this trade. Of course, that's what you should expect me to say. You don't expect me to tell you that buy or sell. That is what I can tell my VIP subscribers. So I just posted it. Watch out for this trade. That was before they released the CNBC. So when they released the CNBC, what happened? The market move up to this zone, and then started dropping, and the market dropped massively. This was it when we entered the trade, and then we took the trade when it got to 200 pips, and then this, and then the before and the after, when the market before and after. So that was it on Thursday. So it was this. The market actually moved. The market actually moved massively. You can see it, guys. The market moved for 664 pips. That was on Thursday. On Friday, I didn't bother myself. I didn't take any trade on Friday at all. This is it. The market was just ranging up and down. So this is it. That's the outlook for last week. So let me show you guys where we set it up for last week. Here is it, where I set it up for last week. Although the market did not really move as expected. But this was it. I first said our first outlook was around A. So when I measure my Fibonacci, it was here. So I shifted it up. So if you're on my Telegram channel, you should see it. Shifted it up, and on Tuesday, we were able to take this drop. So the market went back again. Then on Thursday, this was the Thursday on. So that's it. So this is our golden zone. So what we should be expecting from this week now that we want to enter, the market will be opening tonight. So let me delete everything we have on the chart now. So basically, you can see it yourself. We are not trading monthly. So let's see. Let's just break it down and see what we can do. Okay, let me just leave it there. Let me leave it there, only one. So we go to the weekly. I don't want it to be too long. I don't want it to be too long, Just take it down. We take it down. Let me go to daily and then I'll be very fast because I know you guys are already familiar with it. So there's nothing to explain again. I don't have much to explain again. So if you look at this very well, the market has actually first touch, second touch, third touch, the market broke out from here, which is the third touch, the market broke out. Let me see. I think I'm seeing a trend, yeah, key level here around this place here. So there's a breakout here already. So this can be something on a daily. We can have something break and retest, break and retest. So take it or leave it. We are still going to be selling. We are still going to be selling. So now let me go to the 4 hours because I've seen what I really need to see on this chart. I've seen what I want to see on this chart. So from my 4 hours, I can see some noise around here, which, yeah, this place. So now what I should be doing is this trend line is still valid, but let's just have another one that will be relevant here. Then let's make it 1. Yeah, this one is very relevant to the current market. And from Fibonacci, we have 50 fib level. The market reacted to 50 fib and went up all the way to this point. So presently, the market is going. We know the market is going up. The market is going up. But mind you, we don't just expect the market because I've not seen the momentum that can break this place up. I've not seen it. Trust me, I've not really seen the momentum that can break that. So what I'll be expecting from the market is very simple. Very simple and straightforward. This is a key level. The market is making some noise around here. The market is making some noise there. That's it. So let's take Fibonacci again from here to here. Okay, 60 fib. All right, so what I'm seeing on this market is this. The market will do some things here. If this place should break, the market will get back here. And from here will be our golden zone for a sell. For a sell, the market will get back there, go like this, and then we drop it down to this point, or even further, down. Yeah, or even further down there. So this is what I will be saying on the market. Or if the market should pick it up from here down to here, I'll be waiting for reaction here again. Reaction here again to take it up. But mind you, I'm not buying. I'm not buying. Don't let me convince you guys. This buy, I will not take it. I would rather. This is weekly, guys. This is weekly. On a daily, because I'm a day trader, this is 4 hours. This is weekly. Daily, of course, I will have to go to either 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So I'm going to take it down. So I might take the buy on as a day trader, but as a weekly trader, this is what I will be saying from the market. This is what I will be saying on a weekly level. I hope you guys get it. On a weekly level, the market should get back there, and then we take it down here again. Just the same thing for last week. The same thing for last week. So this is what I'm saying on the chart. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. And from here, this place will surely be TP1. Let me just target TP1. TP1, and here will be the final TP, which is TP2. TP2. We book PEEP. We eat PEEPs. We are not joking. TP1 is gonna be 1,000 PEEPs. 1,000 PEEPs. YTP2 is gonna be how many? 2,000 PEEPs plus. So another thing, this one is just something like this. Let me just say, well, maybe if we go to lower time frame, it might make sense anyway. This is about how many pips? This is about how many pips? This is about 500 pips. And this is 1 to risk to reward is what? Risk to reward should, this one is 1 to 3. This one is 1 to 3. Why this one is 1 to 4. So this is the major one I'm looking out for. This one is the major one I'm looking out for. Or tomorrow, which is on Monday, the market, if you see multiple rejection here, just as we have it here, we're gonna be selling it down to this point again. And from here, the market will go up and we take it. So it's as simple as ABC. So this is what I'll be expecting from US30 this week. This is what I'll be expecting to happen on US30 this week. And for gold, gold has been moving bullish. Up, 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 up. Take it or leave it. Up, 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 up. So what am I seeing here? Although I'm not trading gold. I'm not trading gold. But if you want gold setup, just let me know in the comment section. Then maybe I'll be including it. Based on the strategy I teach you guys, that SMC strategy I teach you guys, that's what you can use for this gold, and surely you're gonna get. Well, majorly what you should be doing as a gold trader, you should be looking for buying opportunity, because the market has been on bullish for a while now, and the market has just been going up, up, up. So any retracement is another opportunity to take it up. All right, guys. So because I don't want it to be too long, here's where I'll be dropping it for today. So till I come your way again, here's some of just YK. Make sure you subscribe and click on the like button. See you guys. Bye for now.